how's it going? It's Matt. Hope you guys are having a good day today and an even better day tomorrow. First, let's start off with a review of my plan going into this past week. Alright guys, so during week 14 of this challenge, I made 3 purchases and 1 sale. So in order, first my cash deposit was added to the account for a total of $1,010 US. With this cash deposit, my first order of business was adding to my tattooed chef position now that the price is so low. So I did purchase 27 shares at an average price of $17 even, for a total purchase of $459 even. With the remainder of the cash deposit, I also added a new position after a huge drop in price for a company that I have been keeping my eye on for about a year now, and that company is Nanox Imaging, so ticker NNOX. I purchased 20 shares at an average of $25.19 for a total purchase of $503.89. And with the volatility that we have seen in the market in these companies, I wanted to lower my average cost per share on skills. And still, I have a previous investment from the transfer request that I made a couple weeks ago in QYLD. So I sold that holding of 15 shares for an average of $22.68 per share for a total of $340.23. And with that money and some left over from the account, I added to my scales position with 32 shares at an average of $11.17 for a total purchase of $357.41. And now for a quick summary of the fee comparisons. So as of right now, my Questrade account has a cost of about $293.38. For the equivalent trades in a Wealthsimple account, the fees would cost about $212.57. So as of this point in the challenge, the Questrade fees are still currently greater than Wealthsimple's, but it's only a matter of time for that to change. Anyways guys, with that out of the way, let's look at a summary of what actually happened to my portfolio over the 14th week of this challenge. The best performing holding that I had this week was in Tattooed Chef, which performed at minus 0.88% over the week. So as you may be able to put together, this week was obviously brutal for the portfolio because my best holding this week actually lost me money. Anyways, with that being said, the worst performing holding this week was Skills, which was down about 7.49%. And overall, my portfolio was down this week, obviously. In total, I was down this week about $350 or roughly 3.5%. When compared to that of the S&P, the S&P was down about 0.85%. So again, another week where the S&P is performing significantly better than my portfolio. And now moving on to total overall performance. The best performer in the portfolio is still in DraftKings, up 22.66%. In terms of my worst performer, it's still in Skills. I don't see this as too much of a big deal because it's still only been a couple weeks since I've added it and continued to add to it, and is a pretty small position in the portfolio. Skills is definitely one of the play stocks in the portfolio and could very well be a flop, but I am certainly still confident in its future with the portfolio given my purchase price. Right now, it's the biggest loser in my positions and down a massive 19.38%. When comparing the portfolio performance to S&P over the same duration of my purchasing dates considered, the S&P is up about 5.87%. Therefore, my portfolio is performing less than 1/6 as well as the S&P, as my portfolio is up only about 0.72%. It's definitely tough, but I think it's only a matter of time where these companies will start to outperform the S&P. And now, let's move on to week 15 of this challenge and what my plan is for the next week. Absolutely nothing. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll be uploading updates every week to summarize the past week and point out some ideas for the upcoming week on this challenge to 500,000. Thanks again for watching, guys.